What up everybody, it's your boy Blasphemous HD back for another reaction video. It just occurred to me, the guy that asked for a tutorial on internal glowing, there are two types of internal glowing he could have been talking about, but he didn't clarify, so I'll just be making a second video for the second type he could be talking about. If you want to know about the first type, then just go to the previous video. I'll link it in the description. But this type of internal glowing is, I'd say, probably easier than the other one. So what you're going to want to do is deselect the line art, probably deselect the background for good measure, and then you're just going to want to get a darker version of the color you want the glow to be. And then just kind of make sure grow selection is 0. We'll go in and just, fill the colors like this. It's not as safe as working on a copy layer, but who cares? Well, you should. This is just all for the sake of example. Actually, I forgot to get a sample of the glow, so, just, okay, Krita's being kind of a prick today, so we'll just, do that. Anyways, create a new layer, select the darkened out bits from the previous color layer, and then just fill the new layer with this. And if you want, you can keep it like this and then do the blur. That'll kind of result in sort of a very strong glow effect, so strong that you might not even be able to tell it's a glow effect and not just the base color. So to get a better result, you're just going to want to shrink the selection here. We'll do it by, I'd say 15 probably. Yeah, that should work, I guess. So then we just fill that, and then you're just going to want to deselect the layer, and then, go through with the blur, blur it however much you want. That might be a bit much. Yeah, that works. And then just to be safe, just kind of select the colors around the glowing area so you don't have any, spillover of the glow. Just hit delete and then boom, it's gone. And just do the usual steps to, modify that however you want. I'll just be doing, I don't know, it doesn't look particularly good like that. But yeah, there are a whole bunch of different layer effects you can go for. If it doesn't have as much of a contrast as you'd like, then just go into HSV adjustment and make it brighter. Maybe increase the saturation if you want. But the brightness will definitely help it stand out. Just make sure, you have a good amount of color to it as well. And that's the basics of it. You can tinker around with these steps as much as you want just to get the effect, to where you want it to be. Anyways, that's about it. Hope you found this helpful, and this is Blasphemous HD out. If you want more art tutorials, then just leave it down in the comments below, or let me know on Discord or whatever. So yeah, have a swell day.